Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. I wish that you are having a fantastic week, fantastic days ahead. Happy New Year to everyone watching this channel and everyone that doesn't, okay, to all around the world. And we need to let go of the anxiety. So I wish that everyone has a good laugh. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So right here we can see that Luna Classic, Lunc daily update. We had a nice uptrend coming in after we almost reached the target that we talked about, the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, for Luna Classic right here, you can see that we are having a nice uptrend over the previous few hours of around plus 11%. Not something special, not something great, but not something bad as well, right? So the first target that we have is the 0.3015472 in the short time frame. You can see that we also have the 200 moving average, this white line approaching the target. That means that inside this area, we are having a very huge resistance level. Okay, between 0.301547 and 0.301547. Around here, we have a very huge resistance level area that if we can surpass, then Luna Classic can go up to the 0.30166 again and maybe even higher. We are going to have to wait and see. For the time being, if we go to the risk metrics, we do not have a huge risk. What I mean by that is that the RSI is below the 70. You can see that the commodity channel index is above. We have an overbought situation right here, but mostly we are seeing the RSI. Anyway, with the commodity channel index, we are having a very huge risk, right? You should be careful. With the Fisher transform, we are having a very huge risk. So every other risk metric except RSI agrees that we are having a huge risk approaching these targets. So around this area, you have to be extremely careful. Into the lower time frames, we are above the 200 moving average, which is pretty cool and pretty fine for Luna Classic. And we would like to see the 20-day MA crossing above the 200 moving average along with the 50-day exponential moving average. This would be a very bullish sign, okay, for the Luna Classic. At the end of the day, though, the 0.3015472 and the 0.30157 are one of the most important targets. Now, if we can close above, then we will be going firstly to the 0.3016, from which I think that we are going to get above pretty easily. And then we will be going towards the 0.30166. Now around here we have a very huge resistance level. So getting above here, we are going up all the way to the 0.30166 and maybe the 0.30174. This is the other resistance level, right? So 17.4 to 17.5. Okay, so breaking these points, it is going to be crucial for the Luna Classic and it would be awesome. Okay, this is what we need right now. We need to break these points. Okay, we need to break these and go all the way up higher towards these targets. But trust me on that, right here we have a huge amount of risk. Now going to the daily frame, we do not have any risk at all. Okay, we do not hold any risk. We do not hold any oversold situation as well though. Okay, so we do not have any risk, we do not have any oversold, we are pretty much neutral. We could be going up, we could be going down, okay? But in the lower time frames, we are holding kind of a high risk with the other risk metrics, not with the RSI, which is our main indicator to see. But with the other risk metrics, we are holding so much. So I would say, in order to succeed to have a successful trading, I would say close above this area right here in the 4-hour frame and you can go long. Not closing above and getting rejected, you can sort it out towards the 0.30148 again. Okay, so if we get rejected right here, you can take a nice profit target of around minus 4%. If you use leverage, you can take more. If you long it, you can go on with the first target being, okay, in order to be safe, the 0.3016 and the second, the 0.30166, and you will see if you can long it more afterwards. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. The third tier has only one spot left. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.